Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between miles and kilometers on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to switch measurement units on your watch, you need to change settings within the Health app on your iPhone. Open the Health app. Scroll down to where it says walking and running distance and tap on it. On the walking distance page, scroll right down to the bottom and you will see an option called Unit. Tap that and you can switch between miles and kilometers. Whatever unit of measurement you have selected here is the unit your Apple Watch will use when recording walking and running distance. It will also convert all of your previous walking and running activity to the new unit of measurement. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.